Hello! Video of the test of the universal key emulator for Kia Hyundai and Mitsubishi 2020 with Mitsubishi Outlander 2017. This is a universal key emulator for Kia Hyundai and Mitsubishi 2020. Tested car Mitsubishi Outlander 2017. We check the car is locked. Turn on the emulator and click on the driver's door button. The car central lock is unlocked. Open the door and enter the car. We press the car start button. The dashboard indication shows that the engine started immediately. The steering wheel and automatic transmission are unlocked. Stop the engine and turn off the key emulation function. Press the start button again. The engine does not start, and on the dashboard a message about the absence of a key in the salon. Turn on the key emulation function and press the start button. The engine starts. We stop the engine. Exit the car and lock it. Turn off the key emulation function. We check that the car is locked. Turn on the key emulation function again. Open and start the car. Now we stop the engine. Exit the car and close it. Check the emulator from the front passenger door. One can see that the car can be opened and closed. Once again, we open the driver's door and start the car. Turn off the emulator. On the dashboard a message about the absence of a key in the salon. The car is ready for driving. Let's go! Then we stop the engine. It's seen that the engine does not start when the emulator is off. The test is completed. Thanks everyone for watching.